Hey there, in this video, I'll show you how to resize an image on Squarespace in just a few quick steps. I'll be walking through this on the web version using the Fluid Engine editor. First, navigate to the page that has the image you want to resize and click the Edit button in the top left corner of the page. This opens the page editor. When you're in edit mode, look for an Add Block button in the top left if you see it. That confirms you're using the Fluid Engine editor, which is what we're working with here. Next, click directly on the image you want to resize. As soon as you click it, you'll see blue handles appear around the image. These are the corner points you'll use to resize. You'll also notice a grid pop up in the background. That grid shows you the layout bounds that your image will snap to as you resize it. Now, to actually resize the image, click and hold one of the corner handles, then drag inward to make the image smaller or drag outward to make it bigger. As you drag, the image will lock to the grid lines, which helps keep everything aligned on your page. You'll also see yellow indicators appear when your image matches the height or width of other blocks in the same section. These help you keep things visually consistent. Once you've got the image sized how you want it, let go of the handle. The image stays at that size. Then, look for the Save button and click it to apply your changes. The page will exit edit mode and you'll see your resized image live on the site. Couple of quick tips: if you want the grid to stay visible while you're working, hit the G key on your keyboard, tap G again to hide it. Also, Squarespace automatically handles responsive sizing, so the image will scale appropriately on mobile devices without you needing to do anything extra. But if you want to double check how it looks on smaller screens, you can click Edit, then open the mobile view icon to preview and make adjustments if needed. One thing to note about mobile editing: any block placements or size changes you make in mobile view won't affect the desktop version, but if you edit the actual content like text, that change will appear on both desktop and mobile. And that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.